విశ్వాంతర గర్భపు వెలుగులో విరజిల్లు విశ్వర్షి అనంతాల ఆహ్వానంతో యోగ పయనం సాగిస్తున్న నేస్తం విశ్వర్షికి ఆత్మయోగ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Namaskaram Guru Garu. A very happy birthday to you. Namaskaram to all viewers. I would like to share few of my feelings about Guru Garu. I am thankful to Guru Garu for all the adoration, care, encouragement, support he kept on giving me, which made me to visit him every Sunday. His presence always kept us not only happy and comfortable, but also attentive and interactive while learning. Each task that he assigns stimulate us to self-analyze, realize our own strengths and weaknesses, and thus correcting ourselves to a positive mindset. My most memorable moment was the Summer Camp 2019, abounded with moral values and messages taught by Guru Garu. And that his personality always stands admired by everyone for the noble qualities, outstanding achievements, courage, time management, his continuous learning with sincere and smart approach, and for his balanced, kindful, cheerful, solid personality filled with discipline. Student prayer is the memorable gift that we received from him during 2019 summer camp. The beauty of this prayer is that all aspects of one's life are covered in a capsule form. The significance of this prayer is that one who performs student prayer with utmost dedication and discipline can observe gradual development in their physical, buddhic, emotional, career and life frames, allowing oneself on a good path. Guru Garu schedules Sunday sessions every month in view of all our children's development. I am more fascinated about the freedom that he provides to all of us to get involved in service activities and the personality development sessions that include the book reading, knowledge sharing and the group discussions on influential concepts that improve our communication skills. We also involve in general meridian and student prayers that help us to transcend spiritually. This summer, though it was a lockdown period, Guru Garu encouraged us to continue the winner book reading session through online daily at a fixed time by providing complete freedom to lead among ourselves. Through these sessions, every one of us not only inculcated qualities of self-discipline, leadership, perseverance, right way of reading and understanding the book, but also fine-tuned the skills of listening, writing and expressing with brevity within a short and stipulated time. Each and every chapter in this book stands alone with a winning concept in a new direction. The uniqueness of this book lies in the exercises given by Guru Garu for each and every chapter. The reader definitely gets motivated, inspired and stimulated with one's own winning concept as per his or her personality. But not least, I am very much obliged to work with Guru Garu while experiencing the shower of his love and affection. His blessings made me accomplish drawing his portrait, which I was really taken aback even today. I am very much thankful to Guru Garu for providing such a multi-dimensional platform for our overall development and guiding us to achieve the true goal through Master's path. I strongly feel that we all are blessed to get introduced to your well-known spiritual personality as Viswashi, and our journey keeps going. Now let's hear few of our friends' voices about Guru Garu. Namaskar.
love you, Tatya.
Happy birthday, Tatya. We love you so much. I appreciate your YouTube videos. I like when you play with me. Enjoy having shower with you. I had fun when we went to Disney together. I want you to come to our house soon. Bye. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
Today I'm going to talk about Guru Garu. Guru Garu is a very nice, kind person. He has a kind-hearted personality, and I have also got that kind-hearted personality from him. He taught me many things like yoga, meditation for a long time, and also personality and development. It was very helpful for me. Since the time I have joined this master yoga and have done yoga with Guru Garu, it has been very helpful for me. I meet him every month, second week. It is like a very good experience for me and my family members.
My learning experiences with Guru Garu. My experiences with Guru Garu are from personality development classes, summer camp, prayer sessions, and Guru Garu's visits to our home. From all of them, I understood that Guru Garu is a very kind person who could also be stern. I also understood that he was very simple. In the summer camp, when Guru Garu had fun with us, I understood that he never considered himself as greater than others and always wanted to just lead us to be better. When Guru Garu helped start online book reading sessions of the winner book, despite the situation outside, I understood that Guru Garu was very determined to do what he thought was the right thing. With student prayer, I understood that Guru Garu never considered what people didn't do before to be a limit. He always tried to be creative and do things his own way. Thank you, Guru Garu, for helping me understand all of it. Happy birthday.
Namaste to all yoga friends. I am Pranav Gurujolu. Today I am going to talk about Guruji Vyasili Vasant Kumar, who has inspired me in many ways. He has inspired me in spirituality, personality development. His famous book, Winner book, it's really important to read for the people who are really less spiritual, and he has inspired many people in Yogashramam, and he has taught many children how to be motivated and how to get rid of the bad thoughts in our mind. He is very intelligent, he is very motivational, he gets encouraged by himself, he follows time management, he follows everything properly, he has really good presence of mind, he has really good punctuality. These are the things I learned from him. Thank you.
Namaskaram, Guru Garu. A very happy and a warm birthday wishes to you. Thank you so much for all the love and care you shower on all of us.
Namaskaram Guruji. Wishing you a very pleasant and happy birthday. You have showed me how to be serious when necessary and how not to be serious when not necessary. And we have to be humble towards each other, and you have taught us to help others and should always be cheerful to each other. We should not be shy when announcing something, and we should learn from others' mistakes and from our own mistakes, and should be consistent and keep on trying till we reach our goals. And we should always be imaginary, and we should be creative, and we should not be typecast. And we have to implement whatever we say and whatever we think. Once again, wishing you a very warm and happy birthday.
Namaskaram Guruvaru, myself this is Nihari. Now I am here to tell you about what I have learned from Guru Garu. I learned honesty, punctuality and a work which is given to have to complete in time is a very important thing that I have learned from Guru Garu. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to talk about Guru Garu.
My experiences with Guru Garu. Guru Garu is a kind hearted person who encourages everyone to be friendly and helpful to each other. I have learned a lot from Guru Garu. He is always calm. He always wants everyone to be happy. Guru Garu also taught us personality development classes in the summer camp we attended. Guru Garu also created the student prayer to increase our concentration on good things. I learned many new things from the 2 summer camps I attended. We are currently involved in a book reading session, Winner, which is written by Guru Garu. Thank you, Guru Garu, for your help for me and rest of the Yogalaya members.
Namaskaram Guru Garu. Thank you so much for the best ever gift of Summer Camp 2019, which was your unique and multidimensional approach to tame our young minds. Every day was a great learning. Thank you so much for everything that you are for us.
Namaskaram, Guruji. I have learned many qualities from you, such as to be self disciplined always, and always to shower kindness to everybody. And I've also learned how to research on a topic really well. I have learned that learning is a continuous process and there is no end to learning. And we should always be confident even if what we choose is wrong, and we should correct it immediately. On the live sessions, on these live online sessions, I have learned how to overcome hurdles like an ant. And climbing a hill, it keeps on climbing. There are rocks. It sees that the rocks are the signs of victory or reaching the hill. I have learned all these characteristics from this winner book. And once again, wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you.